Hello everybody, Ron from RVTV, the channel that brings you everything caravan and camping. We are here at the 2019 Brisbane Caravan and Outdoor Sale, and we are excited to announce today that our brand Great Annexes has just released the new Camo Designer Annexe. So as you can see, this ain't your normal Annexe. You probably haven't seen one much like it before, but this is our new design, only exclusive to the Designer range, called the Camo. So essentially it still incorporates all the regular features you expect in a Designer, though you have this pattern to choose from. Gone are having to settle for the stripes, gone are having to settle for the plains, you now have Camo. So we're finding the people ordering this now, because it's so new, are your off-road caravan guys. You might have a big Lotus Freelander or a big Australian off-road, those off-road units. But in saying that, we've also got plenty of people with normal caravans taking it as well. In actual fact, we're off next week to fit one to a 34-foot scenic caravan. The awning itself's 23 foot long, so we'll bring you some shots and cut it into this video so we can show you what it looks like on a caravan itself. But we're really excited to bring something new to the game because it's important to stay fresh. So if you're in the market for an Annexe and you want something a bit different, come down, check us out, Designer Annexe range. Now, this particular material has been made exclusively for us. So we caught up with James Kelman of Wax Converters recently, talking about the products. Here's some of what we had to say.
So we've been working with the team here to develop a choice other than just plain and other than just stripe. So we know that people have been interested in the camouflage, so we've been working with the team.
This is actually a silk screen. So just like traditional silk screen painting kids on t-shirts,
yes.
That's a rotary screen because it's round, and the ink's actually inside the screen here.
Oh, it's being fed in here.
In through the screen there, you'll see a bit of black ink in there.
Yes.
And there's a squeegee, and that's pushing through there and onto the surface.
Yeah,
so
right.
Basically, we're not governed by any design. We can do any colours, any pattern.
Yes.
By doing it this way.
Yes.
The downside is then we have to value add a second pass.
Oh, yeah. So where you get the flexibility in the design, you get an extra process to follow.
Yeah.
Sure.
But at least we've come up with something creative and something
that's
out
not
of the box.
stripes. That's not stripes.
Yeah,
no, that's great. And I'm really excited about the camouflage that we've got to offer shortly because it's obviously been through this process. Cool. So we've gone through the printing process, through the drying process.
This will have an oven curing system, yeah.
And here is a sample of our design that I've been working with James's team on to bring you guys an option. And this here is a little example of what it is. So we'll have this on display at the upcoming Brisbane Caravan Show at the end of October for you guys to see in the reel. But your team's been great to work with James to get this together for us, and
that's great.
And we're really excited to get it used.
Yeah, we've got a motivated team here, just looking for new ideas all the time. So.
Yeah, and that's one thing you guys have really stood out to us. I mean, we in our first part of our business life, we used a supplier other than you guys, but that's been a noticeable shift in the last 5 years that we've been using you guys, is that you guys are so keen on trying to remain fresh, relevant, new ideas. And we love that because we don't want to keep doing the same thing over and over.
Same old.
People get bored of it, you know. I really believe half the reason we're using plain... When I first started building annexes, no one wanted a plain annex. You couldn't sell them a plain annex. It was all stripes. Obviously now you can't sell them a striped annex. I really believe the only reason why bolds are winning is because it's not striped. So like people have okay, I've had enough of stripe now, but my only other option is plain.
Plain colour.
Plain colour. Whereas now we're starting to go, okay, let's play with some...
Let's jazz it up a bit.
Let's jazz some canvas up. Let's start getting some designs and get something different. And we're working with these guys to give you that option. And and it's a process like anything. We've got to test it, we've got to trial it, we've got to do the designs and get it ready for market. And we've got our first one ready, so keep an eye out for it.
Good stuff.
So as you can see, we've gone to a lot of effort there to ensure we can get this pattern for you guys to enjoy. So like I said, jump to greatannexes.com.au, check it out. Christmas orders are coming to a close very soon, so if you do want to get one before Christmas, don't muck around. Otherwise, we are running some small specials there for the January, February time next year. So if you're in the market, get in touch. We'll see you next time.